Hey everyone! Welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. It's been 14 years since I started YouTube. Oh my gosh, I know some people are not coming back to my channel because there's so many contents online. I know our lifestyle is changing after 14 years, so I don't mean that you have to come back. Actually, I receive a lot of questions, including my kids. How can I become a YouTuber? This is my idea, so you don't have to follow my idea. But one thing you have to keep in your mind, I think, is you wanted to talk to people who you don't see face to face. I think making content who you can see face to face is pretty stressful because sometimes people are not nice online. Like even your friends, when you talk online, you feel different. Like you think that that's weird or like it's unkind or something, you know what I mean. So talking to people online is something it's another personality and it's another person. And I always think that the same person cannot be exactly the same online. So this is why I think it's going well and it's not stressful, and you don't think that I'm different in person and different online or something. You don't compare me online person and the real person, you know what I mean. So that's the difficult part of online, I guess. So if you wanted to keep your work stable without any change, maybe it's better to target people who you don't see in person. I suggest that. As you know, I'm really busy with my kids every day, and I'm not having enough time every day to edit the videos. So I have many videos I have to edit, but it's kind of behind. Recipes will never get old. You can use them forever. Anyway, I will see you in the next video. Bye.